Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Sir, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. It's not good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, today we do key points.
Today we'll do, yes. Today we are going to do key points.
Ma'am, have we read the chapter? Have we read the chapter?
All of you take out your copies.
Ma'am, have we read the chapter?
Yes, we have done chapter reading, children.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, so we are going to read the chapter. No, we will read the chapter today.
Ma'am, yesterday we do difficult words.
Yesterday we had done difficult words. Today we are going to do chapter reading. All of you take out your books. Open your books to page number 37.
Ma'am, can I go take my earphones?
Yes, beta, go take your earphones. Okay, everybody is ready with their books. All of you will get your turns to read. Nobody will say, ma'am, I will read or I will read. Let me first of all just mute all of you. Yes, now I have put you on mute. One by one, I'll ask particular students to read, and then only that student I'll unmute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Okay, starting from Kanav Mittal. Beta, start reading from the beginning. Chapter 6, Major Landforms. You can unmute, beta.
The earth, as you know, is made up of land and water. Almost 2/3 of the surface is covered with water, while 1/3 is
Kanav,
land. Different.
beta, how do you start reading? Where are you supposed to read from? You're supposed to read from the heading. Chapter 6, name the chapter. Start again.
Chapter 6, major landforms of the earth.
Let us learn about. Let's learn about.
Let's learn about the continents, different landforms, mountains, plateaus, plains, and deserts. The earth, as you know, is made up of land and water. Almost two-thirds of the surface is covered with water, while 1/3 is land. The different landforms found on
Good morning, ma'am.
are mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, and deserts.
Okay, that's all. Panchul Mishra, start reading. Where is Panchul? Yes. Panchul, you can unmute yourself. Panchul, you don't know where we are reading? Yes, Panchul, you don't know where we are reading? You can't open what? Your mic? Okay, now see if you can open your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now I can open one. Ma'am, I don't know also.
Okay, you have to read from continents. Page number 37, continents.
Okay, ma'am. The land of the earth is divided into 7 large masses called continents. They are Asia, Australia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, and Antarctica. Facts about continents. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Australia is the world's smallest continent. Antarctica is a continent which is mostly covered with ice. Asia is the most populated continent, while Antarctica is the least populated continent. Australia is also known as the island continent as it is surrounded by water on all sides.
Very nice, beta. Very nicely read.
Ma'am, can I read Ashray?
Arhan, start reading from oceans and seas.
Ocean and seas. Some continents are separated by large water bodies. The very large water bodies are called oceans. The 5 oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean or the Antarctic Ocean. The smaller water bodies are called seas. Some important seas are the Mediterranean Sea, the Black Sea, the South China Sea, and the Arabian Sea.
Okay, very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, can I read
Now,
Ashray?
yes, Ashray, start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Landforms. The earth has an uneven surface. In some places it is high, while in some places it is low. Let us look at some of the physical features that make up the earth. They are known as landforms. Mountains and hills. Mountains are highest landform on the earth. The tip of the mountain is known as the peak or summit. Most mountains have steep sides or slopes with pointed peaks, but some mountains are rounded too. Some mountains are covered with snow through the year. A mountain range is a group or a chain of mountains that are close to each other. Mountains often have a narrow gap between them known as a mountain pass. The mountain passes help people and animals to move across the mountain. Hills
Okay,
are
that's all,
also
beta. That's
high.
all. That's all. Samarth Singh,
Can I
start
sum up?
reading from mountains and hills again. Read mountains and hills.
Okay, ma'am. Mountains and hills. Mountains are the highest landforms on the earth. The tip of mountain is known as the peak or summit. Most mountains have steep sides or slopes with pointed peaks, but some mountains are rounded too. Some mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. A mountain range is a group or a chain of mountains that are close to each other. Mountains often have a narrow gap between them known as a mountain pass. The mountain passes help the people and animals to move across the mountains. Hills are also high landforms, but they are not highest mountains. They are covered with grass and have a pleasant climate, so they make great tourist spots, especially in summer months. A number of hills join together to form a range of hills.
Okay, very nice. Now, Yatharth Singh, start reading from valleys.
A valley is a low area between two mountains or hills. The Kashmir Valley is famous for its uh, scenic beauty and attracts many tourists. Sometimes a river may flow through a valley.
Okay, next also. It was too short.
Okay, ma'am. A plateau is a highland which is flat on the top. It is also called a tableland because it is raised and flat like a table. The Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Ma'am, what is written?
Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. The Deccan Plateau is located
In the southern part of India.
in the southern part of India. Very nice. Now,
Can
Summer.
I read it now?
Summer, read.
Yes, ma'am. Plains. Plains are large zones for flatlands. Plains are formed when hills and mountains break down due to the
What happened, Summer?
of wind and rain could also be formed due to the expansion of falling lava or
Of
rock,
flowing lava.
of flowing lava or rock debris like shield, clay, sand, or gravel brought by water, ice, or wind. This happens over a very long period of time. People like to live in the plains. The soil is
Fertile. The soil is fertile.
fertile and good for growing crops. The
Okay, that's
great
all,
north
beta. That's all. That's all. Akshata Tiwari, read this paragraph once again.
Okay, ma'am. Plains are large regions of flat lands. Plains are formed when hills and mountains break down due to the effect of wind and rain. They could also be formed due to the devotion of flowing lava or rock debris like sites, clay, and sand or gravel brought by water, ice, or wind. This happens over a very long period of time. People like to live in the plains. The soil is fertile and good for growing crops. The great northern plains of India extend almost all over North India. The coastal plains extend along the coastals.
The coasts.
Ma'am, can I read
The
Yashmit?
coasts.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can I read
Next.
Yashmit?
Next, Shobit
Ma'am, can,
Gupta.
Ma'am, can I read Yashmit?
Beta, everyone's turn will come. Don't worry.
Isthmus. Isthmus. An isthmus is a narrow strip of land that joins two large bodies of land. For example, the Isthmus of Panama that joins North and South America.
Yes, go on. Read deserts also.
Deserts. Deserts are large areas of land that receive little or no rainfall. Only a few plants or crops grow here. They are either too hot or too cold. Ma'am, too cold?
Yes. Have you not heard about cold deserts? Cold deserts have got ice all around them. Like hot deserts have got sand, cold deserts have got only and only snow and ice.
Ma'am, they are Antarctica.
Yes, very good.
There are two types of deserts, hot desert and cool desert. Hot deserts are very hot and dry and are covered with sand. strong winds blows the sand, leading to the formation of sand dunes. The Thar Desert is Western India. It is an example of a hot desert. Cold deserts are covered with snow. The soil is cold. Desert is always frozen, making it impossible for any vegetation to grow there. Antarctica is the largest cold desert in the world.
Okay.
And
Next,
what are sand dunes?
sand dunes. I will show you. I will show you through pictures what are sand dunes. I'll share pictures of all these landforms with you to make you understand the chapter. Did I share any video of the landforms?
Yes,
Okay. Now I'm going to share. Beta, wait. Now those who are saying, can I read, will not read. Some of you have this really bad habit of speaking in between. What sand dunes are? Have you seen deserts? Panchul Mishra, have you seen deserts?
Yes, ma'am.
Now sand dunes, these deserts are full of sand, right? So what happens is when
Yes, ma'am.
when the wind blows, the sand from one place to another gets collected, and as it forms a little mound, a small mountain or a small hill kind of a thing of sand only, that are called sand dunes.
Okay, ma'am.
Anika Verma, read. Anika Verma,
Yes, ma'am.
read beta. Read Green Earth Factpedia and then Islands.
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, I lost the page.
Page number is 40, and on page number 40 there is this block Green Earth on right hand side.
Yes, ma'am, just a minute. Yes, ma'am.
Start reading, Anika.
Ma'am, on page number 40, there is nothing like that. Yes, ma'am, it is. The Indian Ocean has a garbage part in the central part caused by pollution.
Factpedia. Anika, read Factpedia. What is wrong,
Volcano
beta?
is, ma'am, there is some connection issue. That's why due to I can't hear your voice.
Okay, now read volcano, and then after volcano, read islands paragraph. That's all.
Okay, ma'am. A volcano is a mountain with a hole on top, through which rocks, ash, or lava that are trapped inside the earth are thrown out. Islands. An island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. A group of cluster of islands close to one another from an
Archipelago.
archipelago. The Andaman
The Andaman and Nicobar.
and Nicobar Islands together from an
Archipelago. Then a peninsula. What is a peninsula? A peninsula is a piece of land which has water on three sides. It connects to a landmass on one side. Now, can you see in the picture given below? That is the southern part of India, isn't it? Now, what is it? It is surrounded by water on three sides. And on one side, there is large landmass, a big landmass on one side. That is a peninsular region. Now, children, what I'll do is, you will tell me which screen you want to see, what you want to see in images. Like suppose you want to see what is an archipelago. I'm sure you want to see. Yes, you want to know what an archipelago is? So let's.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We want to know what is archipelago.
Yes,
Ma'am,
I'll show
Delhi.
you each and everything. But I'll show you each and everything so that through pictures you can see what it is.
And ma'am, you said you will show us a video also.
Yes, I will show you a video also. Wait, first just see all these things. Now, what is an archipelago? Read from the book and tell what is an archipelago.
Archipelago is a group of islands surrounded by
Now, what is it?
A group or a cluster of islands close
Yes.
to one another form an
Yes. So what are islands? Islands are piece of lands that are surrounded by water on all sides, right? We know what an island is. What is an island? A piece of land that is surrounded by water on all sides. Now, can you see these small pieces of lands that are in the water? What are they? They are clusters of islands close to each other. This is an archipelago. Such small islands are made close to each other. Now, these cluster of islands is called an archipelago. Can you see in the picture?
All islands are archipelago.
Yes, these small islands are the group of islands. This small group of islands is called archipelago. They form an archipelago.
No, ma'am, the world islands is an archipelago. The
World islands. What is world island?
Ma'am, it is near Arabia, Saudi Arabia.
I don't know, beta. I don't know about it.
In Dubai.
Are archipelago rare?
No, they are found. They are generally found, like in oceans and all. We have these small piece of lands which are surrounded by water on all sides. Now, next, what do you want to see? Isthmus. Let's see what an isthmus is.
yes, ma'am. Isthmus.
Now, isthmus is a narrow strip of land that joins two land masses. Now, see, it is a narrow strip of land. Can you see this narrow strip of land? It is connected to a land on one side, and it goes up till the other side to other piece of land. Now, it looks like this. Like, for example, yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Can we, after answer the following question, can we draw isthmus?
Beta, we will draw everything, don't worry. We are going to draw archipelago also. We are going to draw isthmus also. Now see, it is a narrow strip of land. Can you see on the screen? This is isthmus
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Panama. Now,
Ma'am, this is isthmus.
Yes, this is an isthmus. It is a narrow piece of land that joins two lands together. It is a connectivity between two big lands, two big pieces of land. Like for
Ma'am, I want to
example,
do plateaus.
like for example, it is written in the book that North America and South America have got a small piece of land, sorry, a narrow strip of land that joins both of them. Then
Ma'am,
what
I
else?
want to see peninsula.
Ma'am, plateaus. Plateaus.
Peninsula.
Ma'am, peninsula.
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 I want to
Okay,
see
wait,
plateaus.
let's watch both of them.
want to show you.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, I want to show you.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am, volcano.
Very bad, very bad class.
How lava
Just
come
not
out?
cooperative. Just not cooperative.
Ma'am, we have
You
to
create a fish market. 4th C is a class that creates fish market. I'm telling you, I'll show everything. Can't you wait? Now, what is this? This is a peninsula. What is peninsula? It is surrounded by water on 3 sides. See, on one side there is land mass, right? A piece of land, and it has water on right hand side, left hand side, and in the bottom. So this is what? This is again a peninsula. Now after peninsula, let me come on to plateaus. Plateaus in India. Now we must know that central India and southern India is full of plateaus. Now this is what? This is the Deccan Plateau. They have not. Okay, just wait. Plateaus in India. Okay, this is a Deccan Plateau. Wait, beta, wait, I'll show you. Now see, this is all plateau region. What is it? Now plateaus are high elevated lands like a tabletop. It is flat at the top. It is like a table. Now what are mountains? Mountains have got steep slopes. They have got pointed tips. While plateaus, they are elevated but they don't have a pointed tip. They are like a tabletop. They are flat on the top. See, these are plateaus. And they are generally found in central India and southern India. Okay, next. Now what you had to see? I'll show you cold desert. Volcano. Okay, volcano also will come to volcano. Now see cold desert.
Volcano video.
Now, what are cold deserts? Now see, how do cold deserts look?
Ma'am, can you show peninsula?
Peninsula, beta, I have already shown. Where were you? Now, what are cold deserts? Cold deserts are covered with snow and ice. And because of very low temperature, because it is almost frozen, so any kind of vegetation is not possible in cold deserts. You all have seen hot deserts, right? Now today
Ma'am,
you
what
get,
are these animal called?
now
in
beta,
the right
name
photo?
of these animals, even I don't know. There's some kind of animals which even I am not aware of.
Ma'am, I think they are llama.
Llamas, I don't know.
llamas.
Could be beta.
Look like a
Now
llama.
see, these are what? These are all cold deserts. Now next, you want to, yes,
Lava.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, lava.
volcano. Now let's come on to volcanoes. Volcano is what? These are volcanoes, these mountains. And what is a volcano?
A volcano is a mountain with a hole on top to which rocks and lava come out.
Ma'am, but we can only see cold deserts.
Yes, I'll show you hot deserts also. I'll show you sand dunes also. Don't worry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
how know the difference between a lava, volcano and a mountain when the lava
Beta, a volcano has a hole.
Which are present in
A volcano has a hole on the top, while a mountain does not have a hole on the top. What it is? It has a pointed peak. It has a pointed tip, while a volcano will always have a hole at the top.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
yes, one by one, only one by one. Yashmit, say.
Ma'am, is this lava dangerous?
Yes, definitely. It can burn everything around.
Ma'am, it can burn also us because it is the.
Ma'am, it can kill humans in 1 second.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what I'll show you
Because
is, I'll show you, be quiet, sand dunes. What are sand
the
dunes?
desert which are present in deserts.
Now see, these are deserts and sand dunes are these mounds of sands. What are sand dunes? These small hills.
I want to ask you something.
What?
What is this black snow?
Black
Ma'am,
snow.
what is this black snow?
Where is black snow? Where can you see black snow?
Ma'am, in one bike riding channel I have seen.
I don't know, beta. I'll search for it and let you know what it is. Now,
what is the difference between desert and sand dunes?
now sand dune is, there is no difference between deserts and sand dunes. In deserts, sand dunes are formed. Why? By the wind that blows from one place to another. Now see, when the wind blows, the sand is so dry that it goes from one place to another and form these mounds of sands. These mounds of sand means these small hills of sands. These are called sand dunes. There is no difference between desert and sand dune. You will find sand dunes only in deserts.
Ma'am, these sand dunes can also be destructed by the wind.
Yes, now again wind will blow. What will happen from this place? They will move on to another place. The sand is going to fly from one place to the other place. In these desert areas also, the wind blows very fast at a very high speed. And then it makes the sand moves from one place to another.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are the mountains like this called in the cold deserts?
Now, the mountains, these mounds are not formed, beta. It is not called anything. It's just full of ice and all. Now, ice can't fly from one place to another. Can it fly? Because ice is not dry. It keeps on the ground only. It gets stable on the ground only. Now, what next you wanted to see from this chapter? Okay, let's... Valleys, yes.
Ma'am, hills.
Now, what is a valley? A low-lying area between two mountains is a valley. Now, this area, see, one mountain on my right and one mountain on my left. And the low-lying area is called a valley. Okay, see, this is a valley. Yes, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Now see.
Such games also there is.
Yes. Now what we have, see, I want to show you difference between mountains and hills also. Now what are mountains? Mountains have got high peaks. They have got pointed peaks. The tips or the summit is very pointed of mountains. And what are hills? Hills are generally round in shape from the top. A mountain can be snow covered, while hills are generally covered with trees and grass. Now see, what are hills? These are hills. Now they are not as pointed as the mountains. They're not as high as the mountains. What we see, hills are generally covered with grass and trees. You've been to Nainital? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what do you see? When we go there by road, they are fully covered with trees and grass. The hills we see on
Yes,
our
ma'am. They are fully covered with trees and grass in Nainital. They have.
Yes. So these are what? These are hills. Now see the picture. The picture that is opened on the screen. The way to
Ma'am, I have also gone to Himalaya, which is covered with snow and has a lot of area.
yes.
And we have
Now if you've seen Himalayas, Himalayas are mountains.
And we have planned to Ladakh next year.
Okay, very nice. Now you want to see anything else?
The mountain.
Ma'am, that video. Ma'am, that video.
That video. Okay, beta, just wait. Let me share the link for the next class. Let me share the link for the next class. Just wait.
I go to one place. I also walk on very old bridge, and it is very high up and ma'am, I am very scared, and I'm very scared.
Ma'am, I wanna look at the cold deserts.
Ma'am, one time we have gone to hills for that are topper than the Nainital. When we came out from the roads, from the cars, the roads is like that we are going to fall now.
Ma'am, please show cold deserts in India.
This is what? This is a cold desert. Okay. What are debris? Is better when, okay, listen. What is debris? When these mountains and hills, they break down, the rocks and the sand that comes down, that is called debris. Like after earthquakes. You've seen earthquakes? How everything gets destroyed and destructed after
Yes,
earthquakes
ma'am.
is caused. So what do
Yes,
we call
ma'am, in
that?
earthquake.
Yes. What do we call the things that fall off? All the breaks and rocks, the broken things. That is called debris. In Hindi, it is called as malba.
Ma'am, what is called in Hindi?
Malba. Malba. It is called malba in Hindi. Debris is the broken
Okay.
pieces of rock, sand, particles. All this is called debris.
Ma'am, can you tell this?
Now, what you want to see?
Ma'am, can you?
Ma'am, these are polar deserts.
These are, yes, polar deserts or cold deserts.
Please show the video.
Can you tell the spelling
Okay,
of
I'll show you the video. Just wait. I'll show the video. Okay, just wait.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you tell the spelling of Debris? That you told something.
Debris.
Okay,
Debris.
ma'am.
For 2 minutes, I'll just show you the video of landforms.
There is only 1 minute left.
Hmm?
There is only 1
समझ
minute
नहीं
left.
आएगा.
Ma'am, can we watch this video in the next period?
Yes, children, it is taking a little time to open. So what we'll do is, in the next period, again, we have one more period after it. Then I'll make you watch this video and then we are going to write the key points of this chapter. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
I hope through these pictures, everything of this chapter is clear to you. What mountains are, how they are formed, what landform is, what plains are. Okay, which state do we live in?
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Ma'am, Uttar Pradesh.
What kind of landform?
Pradesh.
What kind of landform do we see in Uttar Pradesh?
Ma'am, plains.
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 Very
Plains.
nice. Very nice.
Plains.
What kind of landform do you see in Rajasthan and Gujarat? What landform is
Ma'am,
it?
desert.
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 Very good. It
In
is
desert.
called desert.
Ma'am,
I also see desert.
And in Jammu and Kashmir,
Cold desert.
Ma'am,
cold desert.
Cold deserts.
it is mountains. Mountains, beta. It has high mountains. Jammu and Kashmir.
mountains.
Yes, it has high mountains.
It has high mountains
high mountains.